Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Morgan.
Morgan.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, between the country South Africa and the country Egypt, where would you prefer to live and work?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so in today's episode we're going to be heading into the streets of Nairobi, and we'll be asking Kenyans, between the country of Egypt and the country of South Africa, where would they prefer to live and work. Yeah, so please, if you're new here, please remember to subscribe and like this video, and also you can leave us a comment so that we can know what you think about this video. So come with us, let's go find out.
So for me, I will say South Africa, because one reason there are more blacks, and I think the place is more developed.
More developed.
Yes.
Have you ever heard anything about Egypt?
Not that much. Not that much.
Okay, and given a chance to marry a lady from Egypt or South Africa, who would you pick?
South Africa.
Why?
They're beautiful. One thing, in front and back.
You are a bad boy.
And also, I think there are traditions and also languages. I love the language.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your time.
And thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Sammy Lloyd.
Sammy.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between Egypt and South Africa, which country, where would you rather live and work?
I think Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes.
Is there a reason?
Yes. Because I want to see the Pharaoh.
You want to
The
see
fossils of Pharaoh.
because you want to see Pharaoh's fossils?
Yes.
Is there any other thing that would take you to Egypt?
The 7 pyramids. Yeah.
Okay, and if you're given a chance to marry a lady from Egypt or South Africa, who would you pick?
South Africa.
Why?
Because they are beautiful. And they have those qualities
Yeah.
that I want.
Okay, so thank you so much for your
Yes.
time.
I'm glad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between the country South Africa and the country Egypt, where would you rather live and work?
Okay, I'll in South Africa.
South Africa.
Yeah, South
Is there a reason?
Yeah, there's a reason. I watch South African movies, and they are very developed. Yeah.
Okay. And what would you look forward to seeing most when you get to South Africa? Is there anything you'd like to see the most when you get to South Africa?
Yeah.
Or experience?
The beautiful sceneries in South Africa. Yeah.
Okay, so and from these two countries, if you are given a chance to marry, where would you get your ladies from?
Of course, where else than South Africa? They are very beautiful. From movies, very, very beautiful. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
It's your boy J_Conta_King. It's your boy J Conta King, and are you?
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between Egypt and South Africa, which country would you rather live and work?
I'm an African. I love South Africa. I live in South Africa. Yeah.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, many reasons. Like I like the culture of South Africa, the dressing code. They're just natural, yeah. And the country is well developed too. Yeah.
And if you're given the opportunity to marry from South Africa or Egypt, where would you prefer to get your ladies?
Egypt and South Africa. South Africa.
South Africa. Is there a reason why?
Like I just like their vibe, their vibe. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. And please, you follow me on TikTok at J_Conta_King. And if you have not subscribed in this channel, do what? Subscribe.
Okay, so thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Ganasha.
Ganasha.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between the country Egypt and the country South Africa, where would you rather live and work?
South Africa.
Is there a reason?
Yeah. It's because in South Africa, between South Africa and Egypt, South Africa is more developed than Egypt, and most of the people in South Africa are Africans. Like in Egypt, they are Egyptians. Most of the people in South Africa are Africans. Like in Egypt, they are Egyptians, and you find at some point I don't know that Egyptian language, but in South Africa I can speak in English. Yeah, I think South Africa.
South Africa?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are given the opportunity to marry between a South African man and an Egyptian man, who would you pick?
South Africa.
Is there a reason?
Yeah. Because a man from South Africa, their culture and my culture are somehow, and
They are close.
yeah, they're so close. But in Egypt, their culture is so different with mine. So I would go for a South African man. Yeah.
Okay, and let's say, is there anything in particular you'd like to see or experience when you go to Egypt? I mean, South Africa, should you get the opportunity?
Pardon?
Is there anything you'd like to experience or see when you get to South Africa, should you get the opportunity?
Yeah.
What?
I don't think I can answer that for now.
Oh, okay. So thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Well, I got a very long name. Okay, Acid Boy, yeah, let me say that.
Acid Boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between the country Egypt and the country South Africa, where would you rather live and work?
Live and work.
Yeah.
For that I must say South Africa.
Why?
Yeah, South Africa, like them beaches, you know. Yeah, everything about South Africa is amazing. Yeah, yeah, the infrastructure itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
And could you maybe tell us, if between South Africa and Egypt, if you're given an opportunity to marry a lady from those countries, who would you pick?
Ooh, South Africa and Egypt, ladies. Ladies. Hey. Okay, ladies, South Africa, Egypt. Okay. I'm not that much into Egyptians ladies, but let me say I'm gonna go with South Africans ladies. Yeah, I got no reason.
Okay. Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between the country South Africa and the country Egypt, where would you rather live and work?
Egypt.
Why?
Because my trends are just trended in many movies and I want to see everything about it. Yes.
And what did you love about Egypt in the movies that you watched?
The graves, yes, the tombs, and all the pyramids, and the sun, the brown sun especially. Yes.
Okay. And if you're given a chance to marry between a lady from South Africa and a lady from Egypt, who would you pick?
Egypt.
Is there a reason?
Yes. They are well shaped. They have a well shaped body. Yes.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Yes, welcome.